How to use custom notifications in WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you how to use custom notification in WhatsApp to personalize alerts of your favorite contacts or group. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now, select the contact or group for which you want to set custom notifications. Tap the name at the top to open the contact info. Scroll down and tap custom notifications. Then check the box or toggle use custom notifications to enable it. Now you can customize notification for the contact or group like notification tone, vibration pattern, pop-up notification, notifications light color, and whether to show notifications as high priority. Once you have set your preference, just go back. Your custom notifications are now active for that contact or group. And that's it. This is how to set up custom notifications in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.